Guy here. I've got an unboxing, but it's not a watch. UPS man, UPS man. When me bring me all my boxes, well, it makes me feel so good. So what we have is a coin. The new 2021 early release, struck in San Francisco, because normally they're all struck at West Point. Perfect mint state 70, and it's the T1 because it's come later this year, or they already started printing them, but then once they sell all of these, or the end of May, I guess, they're changing the back here, and the back's going to have a new design. I think it's a flying eagle instead of a standing. So, yep. There's only going to be so many of these released, so people are going to be wanting them. Very popular. Hope so anyhow. Thank you.